Even before rainwater harvesting gained popularity and modern techniques of saving water came into existence, our ancestors understood the significance of water conservation. This is why stepwells were constructed. Stepwells, often called Baolis or Baoris, are an important part of our history and architecture. Stepwells were constructed in India during the medieval period. These are ponds or large storage tanks in which the water stored is reached by descending a set of steps. The purpose of building these Baolis was to cope with water shortage due to seasonal fluctuations. These stepwells made water available for irrigation and other purposes throughout the year. The Hazrat Nizamuddin Baoli in Delhi is always filled with water, which comes from an active underground spring. The Baoli was constructed over 800 years ago by the Sufi saint Hazrat Nizamuddin Baoli himself. Local boys show off their diving skills here to attract visitors. Today, most stepwells in India lie in ruins. It is about time we take measures to restore these stepwells, which are not just part of our history but will also help us conserve water, the most important natural resource. Can you think of other ways in which we can conserve water?